Welcome to the SmartBook 2.0 overview tutorial. SmartBook 2.0 is an adaptive reading experience that personalizes learning to meet your individual needs. What does this mean? Let's begin by taking a look at a SmartBook 2.0 assignment. From your assignment list, locate a SmartBook 2.0 assignment as indicated by the SB icon. Click on the blue arrow symbol, then click Begin. Assignments must be completed by the indicated due date in order to receive scoring credit. It's important to know that after the due date, scores are no longer recorded, and assignments are converted to recharge mode. Recharge allows you to continue practicing concepts and receiving feedback, but progress is no longer recorded. After you click Begin, you'll be taken to a welcome page that will walk you through SmartBook 2.0. From here, you may either start reading or start questions. For the most effective learning experience, you should always start reading first. Here, we are taken to the chapter. You will see sections of the text have been highlighted for you. You have the option to navigate by page or by key highlighted concepts. These concepts have been selected by your instructor to highlight important learning objectives. While reading the entire chapter provides full context, you may want to focus on the highlighted content. Once you've read through the assigned content, click 2 questions to start answering questions on the key concepts you've just learned. It is through the questions and answer process that you will make progress towards earning the points designated for this assignment. On the question page, you will see the question, a confidence rating, and your progress bar in the top right corner of the screen. To complete a question, you will check your answer and rate your confidence in your answer. This is where SmartBook 2.0 begins to adapt to you. The confidence level does not affect your progress bar, but it does encourage you to think about your level of understanding. Behind the scenes, SmartBook 2.0 is learning to identify what you really know and where you might need additional help. You will receive immediate feedback for both correct and incorrect answers. If you incorrectly answer multiple questions on the same concept, you may be provided with a learning resource, often a section of the text. This is designed to help you learn and move forward with your progress. As you advance through the questions, your assignment score will be based upon the percentage complete on the due date, as indicated by the progress bar. Now remember those important highlights when you were reading? The highlights represent key concepts, and all the questions you are answering are designed to assess them. The light blue bar will indicate concepts you have started, and the dark blue bar will indicate the concepts you have learned. To demonstrate learning and advance the progress percentage, you must correctly answer multiple questions for a single concept. Keep in mind that answering a single question correctly does not advance the progress bar. The percentage only increases when multiple questions for a single concept have been answered correctly. As a reminder, once an assignment is past the due date, the assignment enters recharge mode, allowing you to continue practicing concepts and receiving feedback, but no longer recording your progress. To learn more about how to view your grades, please continue to the next tutorial, SmartBook 2.0 Student Reports.